In this video, I am going to show you how I make scrunchies in bulk. Take the two ends of a satin ribbon. Align both ends with the shiny sides facing inward and the rough sides facing outward. Sew along both sides as demonstrated in the video. Enjoy the sewing machine ASMR. Now, turn the sewn ribbon inside out. I'm using a knitting needle, but you can also use a skewer or any other tool of your choice. Tuck one side in for the start. Stay with me through the process. I'll speed up the video for you. After flipping, I've cut the ribbon into a total of 8 pieces, each measuring 24 inches. Take an elastic band and a safety pin. Then insert the pin on the edge of the band. Take the ribbon and start inserting the band inside it as shown. Remove the pin and join the ends of the band. Sew the ends. After that, fold the edges of the ribbon inside and tuck in one side to the other. Now one scrunchie is complete. Finish the remaining pieces using the same process.